Click subscribe and bell icon to get regular notifications.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Krishna Subramaniam. I am the lead surgeon for the Department of Orthopedics and Sports Injuries, Yashoda Hospitals, Malakpet. I practice arthroplasty and sports injuries. Today we are going to learn about multiligamentous knee injuries. The knee joint has four important major ligaments. Two outside on either aspect of the knee, that is, inner one is called medial collateral ligament, the outer one is called lateral collateral ligament. And the inner, within the center of the knee joint, we have a X-shaped two ligaments. Those are called cruciate ligaments. The front one is called anticruciate ligament, the back one is called posterior cruciate ligament. For any reason, if more than two ligaments are injured because of any reason, like a road traffic accident or a motor vehicle accident or a sporting activity or high velocity injuries to the knee joint, this is called multiligamentous injury knee situation. Usually multiligamentous knee injury situation is none other than a knee dislocation. So this is called multiligamentous knee injuries. Types of multi-knee ligamentous injury is usually based on the type of ligaments that are involved in the injury or knee dislocation. It can be grossly told as anteroposterior multiligamentous instability or rotatory instability. Anteroposterior instability is nothing but when both the bicruciates, that is central point of the knee joint, is involved, and rotatory instability if there is collateral ligaments complex is also involved along with one of the cruciates. So we can divide at a straight anteroposterior instability or a rotatory instability. Multiligamentous knee injuries are diagnosed by very obvious examination because a knee is dislocated. When the patient comes with the multiligamentous knee injuries, he cannot walk or he has difficulty in walking unless there is an external support or a brace. Suppose if there is a collateral ligament injury is also done along with one of the cruciate ligaments, we can do stress fuse. In acute phase, stress fuse are painful. Therefore, we diagnose most of the times multiligamentous knee injuries with MRI. So, MRI shows us what ligament complex is involved. Multiligamentous knee injuries, if they are not treated, they cause disability to the patient because they cause instability, that means imbalance in knee in all the planes, that is anteroposterior as well as rotatory. Therefore, treating a multiligamentous knee injury surgically is always essential. As I told, the multiligamentous knee injuries non-surgical management is not complete. But in the acute phase, to gain some time and to make the injured knee supple and calm, what we do, we give a knee immobilizer brace. Once the knee becomes calm and it settles after a couple of weeks, we do a arthroscopy guided single stage all ligament reconstruction. Whatever the ligaments that are torn, for example, if there is a bicruciate along with a PLC complex or a bicruciate with a medial ligament complex or both cruciate tears, we can do arthroscopic surgical reconstruction. So surgery in multiligamentous reconstruction is always mandatory and essential to gain back the knee balance properly. Rehabilitation after the multiligamentous knee reconstruction is really a challenging task because all the ligaments that are reconstructed should be protected in the initial phases following the reconstruction. That is, we give a immobilizer and non-weight bearing walker supported walking and phases wise graduated continuous passive motion of the injured or reconstructed knee. Once the knee settles within 2 to 3 weeks time after the suture removal, what we do is we do continuous passive motion and strengthening of all the muscles in and around the knee joint, that is the thigh muscles, both front side and back side, and calf muscles. And once the movement of the knee joint is regained, that is 140 degrees or 130 degrees, then we give a cycling exercises, that is stationary bike exercise. Then what we do call agility training. This all happens over a period of 6 months time. So rehabilitation after the multiligamentous knee reconstruction is as important as we do the reconstruction for the multiligamentous knee injury. Thank you very much.